3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. All is quiet now and looks to stay quiet through the rest of the evening. Clear skies basically across the board. You may see some clouds, though, by the time we start waking up tomorrow morning. You got a pretty busy day coming up tomorrow when it comes to the rainfall. Let's start with a look, though, at the satellite and radar picture. Another round of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, so the grass has been shooting up across Acadiana over the last couple of days. Things looking clear out over towards the north. Still some clouds kind of across parts of the region this afternoon, and this evening we'll see the skies try and clear up a little bit late tonight, but again I think we'll probably get those clouds back in store early tomorrow. Go mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. In fact, we may end up seeing 1 or 2 showers popping up a little earlier on in the day, earlier certainly than we're used to, and I think by mid-morning you'll start to see showers creeping in from the north, and by the time we get to lunchtime, widespread showers across much of the area. Let's stop things right around 7 o'clock. Again, you can see some isolated shower activity. It's going to be very, very chaotic at first, kind of pop-up showers. Never really pinpoint exactly where they're going to be, but they do become more widespread as we get further into the afternoon. I think those showers are probably going to originate in the north and then spread out. It seems to be a new model run that's come in, but it's still picking up on widespread showers across the area through the afternoon time frame and then continuing on into the evening, and that's when things will start to clear up. So I think clearing a little bit earlier tomorrow with the showers arriving again a little earlier than what we've seen the last few days. We'll see a front just all off the coastline and out of our area. That may keep 1 or 2 showers in place on Wednesday. Really depends where that front sets up when it does make its way through the area, and that's been kind of a problem. We've got a very humid atmosphere just towards our east. We've got a pretty dry atmosphere towards our west, and we're right in the middle of that boundary. So a little bit of movement either way, and that could drastically affect what we're going to see on Wednesday. So the Wednesday forecast right now, kind of wait and see. Leaning a little bit closer to the drier end of things. A few showers perhaps early Wednesday morning, but just towards our east, the other side of the basin, and maybe even some of the southern stretches of Acadiana could be dealing with some showers. As for Tuesday, here's what we've got coming up tomorrow. Widespread rainfall across the area through lunchtime. Not looking too bad for Wednesday. Again, notice that just down over towards the east, a little more active, so that could quite easily push westwards a little bit and end up in our neck of the woods. By Thursday, we're kind of back to the afternoon, evening showers. Not going to be a bad day on Thursday at all. More moisture on the way, though, as we get closer and closer to the weekend. Here's a look at temperatures for tomorrow morning. Upper 70s, again, some clouds across the area. I don't think quite as sunny as it's been the last few mornings. Temperatures, though, should be a little more moderate tomorrow. I think we'll probably stay in the 80s, 87, 88, right around that range by the time we get into the evening. And a lot of that has to do with all the clouds and the showers that we are going to be seeing. Overnight, we'll may see temperatures a little cooler by Wednesday morning, 60s even northwards of the interstate, low 70s along and south of the interstate, especially again if we can tap into some of that drier air and keep the more humid air towards our east. As for Wednesday, temperatures probably back up in the lower 90s with the heat index sitting right around 93 for the 5 o'clock commute. Tonight, 76 degrees, few showers possible by the early morning hours. It should be quiet through the remainder of the night. We'll keep a 20% chance of rain going for early on. 88 for your high tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies, showers and a few thunderstorms through lunchtime. Winds are going to be variable throughout the day. They'll be right around 5-10 miles an hour. Around the thunderstorms, they'll be gusting higher than that. And then more or less more of the same through the middle of the week and on into the weekend. Temperatures should be running right around normal too, which will be a warm low 90s. Heat index probably staying in the triple digits later this week. I think tomorrow though may not be too bad.
Okay, hey, and finally something else to talk about.
I know.
Rain chances.
At this point, it's been the only thing to talk about, so I'm kind of like,
let's get it over with. Get back to normal, right?
Okay, now you have to figure out when you're going to cut that grass that you mentioned that
Thursday morning.
Get those chores
Thursday
done,
morning.
yeah.
Best time to cut your grass Thursday morning, says Daniel Phillips.
First.